How to turn off transaction limits on PayPal account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to turn off the limits. So first things first, click on your profile over here on the top right and click on account settings. In this page, we will be able to locate an option that is labeled limits as you can see here, which is limits on our account. Now being blocked by something here, so I'm going to try and open it as quick as I can so I could show you guys what it looks like. So we're going to go back here, account settings, and simply click on the limit options, and you will be able to view all kinds of things that you will be able to modify. As you can see here, your account limits and so on and so forth. So simply click on the lift limits option, and you will then be able to remove the limits on your PayPal account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.